Viofo A229 Pro Dashcam Review. The Viofo A229 Pro is a true flagship dash camera system that doesn't cut corners. Featuring 4K front-facing and 2K rear-facing Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, IMX778 and IMX775, it combines high-definition recording, HDR, night vision, voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, and reliable parking modes. It's a full-featured 2-channel solution designed for drivers who want premium video quality and peace of mind. Video quality and sensors. The STARVIS 2 sensors are the standout feature here. Video quality is excellent in both day and night conditions, with crisp detail, rich color, and excellent dynamic range. At night, the wide HDR range and Night Vision 2.0 provide sharper license plate recognition and improved low-light clarity compared to older generation sensors. The combination of 4K front and 2K rear resolution ensures you capture small details from both perspectives. Features and usability. The A229 Pro is packed with user-friendly features. Voice control allows you to give commands like take photo or turn Wi-Fi on, making operations safer while driving. 3 parking modes are available: event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate for round-the-clock protection. The inclusion of loop recording, emergency lock, and built-in GPS make this dashcam ideal for both daily drivers and long-distance travelers. Fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures smoother video transfers to the companion app, while an optional CPL filter reduces windshield glare for clearer footage. Pros and cons. Pros: outstanding 4K front, 2K rear video quality with Sony STARVIS 2 HDR sensors. Excellent low-light performance with HDR and Night Vision 2.0. Intuitive voice control and improved mobile app with 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Comprehensive parking modes for 24/7 security. Solid build quality and dependable reliability. Cons: higher price tag than many other dual-channel systems. More complex installation due to multiple wiring needs for front, rear, and optional accessories. Occasional app and firmware quirks, including minor connectivity issues. Some users have reported inconsistent recording reliability in rare cases. Verdict: the Viofo A229 Pro is one of the most capable dash cams currently available. With cutting-edge STARVIS 2 sensors, powerful HDR video processing, and a host of advanced features like parking surveillance, GPS logging, and voice commands, it provides excellent coverage for drivers who want top-tier protection. While it may be more expensive and require a bit more effort to install, it delivers premium video quality and long-term dependability, making it a standout choice in the dashcam market. Affiliate disclosure: as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. You can find a link to the Viofo A229 Pro dashcam in the description below.